Here's how to fix the freezing problem on Telegram. Now open up the Telegram app. iPhone, Android works the exact same. From here, the first thing that you can do is just swipe up and close out of Telegram and open it up again. See if that just solves the issue. If that doesn't solve the issue, the next thing that I would recommend doing is swiping down from the top right, and let's try to toggle airplane mode on and then wait a few seconds and toggle it back off. Essentially, this disconnects and reconnects to your internet to see if that helps to resolve any issues. If those don't fix it, the next thing that we're going to do is hop out of there and we're going to go into the settings app. So open up the settings app here. And the first thing that we'll do is scroll down and we're going to find general here midway down. Tap on general. And now you can see if I scroll down background app refresh. Keep in mind Telegram a lot of times needs to use the background to work properly. So tap on background app refresh. At the very top, if this is turned off, make sure to turn it on for Wi-Fi and cell data. And then just go down and find Telegram on this list towards the bottom there and make sure it is on. Of course, if that's off, just toggle it on. Now, check to see if it works at that point. If it still doesn't work, the next thing I would recommend doing is going into the App Store or the Google Play Store. A lot of times there are bugs or glitches in the app, so just tap on search here and we will search for Telegram and see if there's a software update. Right next to Telegram, if it does say update, then just update to the latest version that could fix your issue. And finally, if it doesn't fix your issue, the last thing I would recommend doing is hopping back into your settings. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. And from here, tap on the general option towards the bottom. And now you'll be able to see iPhone storage. On the iPhone, you can offload an app. However, if you're on an Android, you can just clear the cache and clear the storage, and it'll do the same thing. So I'm going to scroll down and hit show all, and find the Telegram app here. So scroll down, there's Telegram. I'm going to offload this app and reinstall it. This keeps all of your data on the app, but it force updates a brand new version of the app, and it clears all the cache and temporary files associated with that app. So after it's done going through the process of reinstalling, just open it up to see if it's working at that point. You might also just want to consider turning your phone completely off and then turning it completely back on, and a lot of times that fixes it as well.